Welcome back. Tonight, witness Harry Truman's irreversible choice in the summer of 1945. Discover how the product of the Manhattan Project transformed a man under pressure into the architect of the nuclear age. Are you ready? Let's begin. 5. The decision for Hiroshima. Truman's irreversible choice. 1945. August 1945. Harry Truman is returning from the Potsdam Conference with reports in hand. A land assault on the Japanese mainland is being planned. Estimated American casualties range between 500,000 and 1 million. And in his other hand, there is a different option, the product of the Manhattan Project, a weapon never used in any war, theoretically existing but never yet tested on a real human population. To understand Truman, you need to know this. He was not a president by election at first. He had stepped in when Roosevelt died, and he constantly felt the pressure to prove himself. He could not fully trust much of his military staff, and the only evidence he had about what the atomic bomb could truly do came from theoretical projections. He was choosing between two tragedies, one certain, one unknown. Hiroshima was erased on the morning of August 6, 1945. Nagasaki, 3 days later. Total estimated civilian casualties across both cities exceed 200,000. Though the figures remain contested. Japan surrendered, and from that day forward, humanity has never managed to answer the question, was this decision right? Because it cannot be answered. The madness of this plan lies here. A strategic move of a kind never before attempted in history was being executed with a weapon being used for the first time. No one knew what the outcome would be. Perhaps Japan would not have surrendered. Perhaps a third bomb would have been needed. Perhaps world opinion would have reacted in a way that prolonged the war. Truman made a decision from the position of a god, without knowing, without learning, without certainty. And that decision became the cornerstone of the reality we inhabit, the nuclear age. Today, every major power prefers to threaten to use its nuclear weapons rather than actually use them. Because they learned from Truman, even the one who uses that weapon does not truly win. Some decisions, even when taken to end a tragedy, cast a shadow that never lifts. History is the living blueprint of the human soul, reminding us that the most irreversible choices are often made in the heavy silence between the certain and the unknown. In the nuclear age, we have learned that even the one who wields absolute power does not truly win. Rest now, and let the echoes of the past settle in your mind. See you soon.